Okay, let's take a look at this problem. We are given f of x to be 1 minus 1, if and only if x is less than or equals to 1. I think we know the range for this case. For x less than or equals to 1, we are talking about range of values that satisfy that, then we use minus 1. And at the same time, 7 minus 2x, that is if x is greater than 1. So for this second one here, whenever we are given x and x is from 1.1, from 1.2, from 2 to 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, up to plus infinity, we are to use 7 minus 2x for that. So here now we are asked to find f of minus 3. And don't forget that for this case, minus 3 here is talking about the first range, because for the first one, for the first interval of this piecewise defined function, we know our x to be less than or equals to 1. So we have minus 1. And what of the second one again, when f of 0? F of 0 is also minus 1. Oh. So the third question now is that f of 2. And for f of 2, x is equals to 2 here, and x is greater than 1, where if x is greater than 1, we are supposed to use 7 minus 2x. Okay, so we have it like that. And for this, we can now obtain the value of f of minus 3, f of 0, f of 2. Don't forget, we are dealing with piecewise defined function. And for this piecewise defined function, we need to be very conscious of the range of the value of x. So let's consider the second question, which means that we have to sketch. Okay, for the second question, we are asked to sketch the graph of the piecewise defined function. Now, take note of it. At 1, two things happened. One is closed while the other one is opened. Now, let's take for instance now, minus 1. Minus 1 here, that is when x is minus 1. I mean, when x is 1. Now, when x is 1, we know that our f of x is minus 1. And that is why you can see it here like that. And the second one, if x is greater than 1, if x is greater than 1 here, you see that it's greater than 1 and is not closed. So we are not going to shade that circle. We are not going to shade the circle. And at the same time here, you can see now that 7 minus 2x here is talking about a graph of a straight line. And the slope is what? The slope is minus 2. Aha. So, but take note of it. We shade one, we did not shade the other one. The one with less than equals to 1, that is minus 1. And that is the one we can see here, the line of minus 1 throughout at any value of x, provided x is less than or equals to 1. We have it to be minus 1. So we are going to shade that one. For the second one, 7 minus 12, we are not going to shade it. And that is okay for that.